Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Bake. All right, it's been a while since I covered this, but I was looking at it the last couple of days. I looked at it Wednesday morning, which then it had dropped down quite a bit. I mean, Bake has been moving up and down for quite a few days now, and well, for the entire week, to be honest. And I was looking at it, and what was interesting, and we're just diving right into the analysis, if you don't mind. That way the video is short, but hopefully there's a ton of value. What you saw already then on Tuesday and on Wednesday morning was that the open interest had still increased, right? The open interest was up about 20% or so, even when the price was down. So I was looking at it and I thought, well, you know, maybe if we break above 26 cents again. But in the end, I wasn't behind the screens. I missed it. But no, good trade. All right. I mean, it's definitely, it doesn't matter, but there's definitely manipulation going on. If you check out Bake right now, which might be interesting to know, might not be. But if you look at where the volume is coming from, there's a ton coming from OrangeX, BitTrue, Gate.io. Not too much. I mean, if you compare it with Binance's volume, not too much, but still. And at this moment, it's just very bullish, technically. All right. So you can also see, I mean, here you could see the small open interest spikes. It's much higher right now, and we even saw a big increase this morning. Here you can see increases like this, by the way, are also quite manipulated. Big increase, big drop right now. So sure, I mean, technically Bake is still bullish, but I do think we're getting towards more dangerous levels in terms of the price, and that's also because of the technicals. Because the level we're at right now, here we found resistance here at 47.5 cents, which is the 0.5 fib of this entire move down, which is a pretty weird Fibonacci level, but I think it works on a 4-hour time frame. A strong level, but it's also technically it's strong, especially around 50 cents. So breaking through that, you need a ton of momentum, all right? And I don't think Bake has that. I'm not saying it's impossible. I mean, I do think it's possible. I think it's possible that Bake breaks above 50 cents and gets up towards 60 cents. That would be my next price target. If we start looking at technical levels, then it might be a little bit higher, even like 60 up to 65 cents as the next target. So this is definitely a possibility, but you always have to assess whether that's most likely or not. And right now it's not most likely, right? Because the resistance still is intact. We found a lot of resistance at 47.5 cents. That also caused the open interest to drop down quite a bit more. We still have 52 cents as resistance. So I think right now it's more likely, even though it's super risky to say that with cryptos like these, because cryptos like these, most often they just go on, all right? Most often they just break above the next level and go up higher. So there's a good chance I'm wrong. I'm just telling you that. I just want you to know. But purely technically, with the open interest that's dropping, this for me is a big part of why I'm actually thinking that it's not going to break out. This is quite a big drop. So that tells you something about the resistance, and it also tells you something about the momentum that Bake still has. And it seems to me that the momentum is still dropping while the resistance is still strong. So therefore, I'm going to say it's most likely that, you know, we might spike up to 50 cents, but that we will find resistance and drop back down towards this support level right here at 35 cents. And then from there, we'll have to see again. I mean, if you're interested in that, I can keep covering it, and I can tell you after dropping down there whether I still think it's most likely or whether I think it's possible that we will still rally later. It's a possibility. But let me know. But for now, this is what I think. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.